Hey everybody, this is Chandler.daggett with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, and today we're going to show a quick walkthrough of the Sea Ray SDX 250. So right behind me here, we've got this great boat, and obviously one of the key features that I'd like to point out is this incredible swim step that you've got on the back of the boat. It's perfect for entertaining. Manually deployed, put it back, and now you've got an incredible swim platform. You also do have a tow point here where you can pull inner tubes, and of course up in the boat, which I'll show you in a little bit, we've got another tow hook up there. Huge sun pad with aft facing backrest. But wait, when we're underway, we can reverse the backrest so that we're facing forward. Plus, notice incredible seating, same backrest here for the port side passenger. We also have seating here. And how many 25-foot open bow boats have a cuddy that you could actually lay down in as an adult? None, except for the SDX 250. Cuddy also doubles as a head with this ingenious little flip-up seat right here. We strap it in, and now we have access to a pump-out head if we need it. Now at the bow of the boat, great bench seating here. Area to put your legs, great forward seating as well. We do have a dedicated cooler here. You got a locker hatch here, put your anchor. Outstanding boat all around. Often overlooked feature is the tower. So this is actually a manual tower. You can undo this knob here and that one there. If you have garage space or lift space height issues, this tower will fold down manually. Of course, you have a great tow point here for wakeboarders or skiers. And she's equipped with the Merc Cruiser 6.2 300 horse, the all-new motor from Merc Cruiser. So you guys that like to do a lot of your stuff yourself, you've got everything right here at your disposal. The great thing about these motors, take your phone and your QR reader, hit it with that, and you'll get videos that show you everything you need to know and what to do for just standard routine maintenance on this motor. Hey guys, thanks for taking the time to walk through this video with me. Again, I'm Chandler.daggett with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Give me a call, 573-480-4549, or check us out online at www.marinemax.com. Thanks.